Hello and welcome to Dakota Prep's video tutorial for sizing conduit. We're going to do it the old-fashioned way here, not using Annex C. If all of your conductors are the same size, we can use Annex C. And in this case, that's not what we got, right? So this question says, what is the minimum size conduit required where 4 500 kc mil THHN insulated copper conductors and 3 AWG THHN insulated equipment ground are to be installed in EMT? Okay, so the very first thing we actually need to look here is in section 358.22. Okay, 358.22 says, hey, you need to go look at table 1, chapter 9. That'll tell you how many conductors you can cram into an EMT. So if we look at table 1, chapter 9, it says if we have exactly one conductor, we can fill that conduit all the way up to 53% of the cross-sectional area. Exactly 2, only 31%. Well, we've got 4 phase conductors, right? 3 hots and a neutral, 3 ungrounded and a grounded, and then also a number 3 equipment ground. That means we've got 5 total conductors that take up space in this conduit. So that's definitely over 2, so we can cram that conductors into that conduit until we get to 40% of the cross-sectional area of that conduit. So this is the way it works, guys. We go to table 5 and then table 4. Table 5 tells us how much space our conductors take up. And then table 4 tells us, well, how much space we have in our conduit, right? So that's how it always goes. Table 5, table 4, table 5, then table 4. So we have 4 500s. So we go look at table 5. Let's go ahead and let's see. Well, okay, well, how much space do 500 kc mil THHN conductors take up? And it looks like 0.7073 square inches. So each of these conductors, each of these 4 500s take up 0.7, what was that number again? That was 7073, I believe. 0.7073 square inches. And then 1, we're going to have to add in our equipment ground, which is a number 3. So for number 3, we've got 0.0973, okay? So first, let's go ahead and find out, okay, since we have 4 conductors all at 0.7073 square inches, let's plug that into our calculator. And that tells us we have 2.83, we'll just go 2.83 square inches of conductor so far. And then we got to add in that 0.0973 square inches for our number 3 AWG conductor.